We might be about to enter the most crazy phase for XRP. Not only do we see a massive rally in front of us for Bitcoin, but XRP could be poised for a massive move. Experts are predicting anything from 30 to 200%. But we need to talk about a couple of key things. Will the SEC file their appeal? What did Brad Garlinghouse say about Trump's victory? And more importantly, when does Gary Gensler leave office? We're going to be breaking it all down, how that relates directly back to XRP. I've got some pretty big news to talk to you about, as well as taking a look at that price action on the chart. And let me tell you, it's pretty good. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, as always, and we'll see you in the video. So let's talk about what happened. Yes, we've got a new president-elect in the US, but how does this relate directly back to XRP? Now, many people know that the SEC asked for a delay on their appeal brief, in fact, pushing it back until January the 15th. Many people, including myself at the moment, at that time it came out, was very much in the world that said, if this is a Trump election and a win for Trump, Gary is finished. They're almost hedging their bets. So the question now is, well, Trump's going to be elected as the next 47th president for the United States. What does that mean? Well, experts and many people in the community state that they believe the SEC, or the Securities and Exchange Commission, may not file its appeal brief against the company due to a Donald Trump presidential election victory. And I guess, look, that's for where the SEC sits. Does it require Gary Gensler to be sat as the chair or not? We already know, I talked about this yesterday in my update video for Bitcoin, Hester Pierce potentially could come into the foray as the new SEC chair. We already know that she's much more open to looking at crypto as a digital asset, how to embrace it, and more importantly, how to keep it in the US. This could be a massive catalyst for XRP. If all of this just gets thrown out, not even have to pay the bill, could be pretty crazy as this all moves through. It says XRP is most likely to continue its recent positive run after 5% in the past 24 hours after the Donald Trump victory in the US presidency. The token, which has suffered several setbacks since the SEC sued the founding company Ripple Labs in December 2020. So by the time this appeal came in, we would be in a world of the best part of over 4 years of litigation. Could be absolutely crazy. What's my view? I absolutely believe that it gets thrown out. I believe it never makes it. And I believe XRP is set for a big move. Lots of people now are expecting Gary Gensler to go. The reality here is Donald Trump has threatened to dismiss him from his chair. Now, he may leave office earlier. That sometimes happens with an SEC chair. But it says Gary Gensler's days as the SEC chair are now numbered, and retail investors across the country are eager for new changes to take place. Investors want the removal of Gary Gensler following Trump's presidential win, as seen across various retail communities on social media. We also had Brad Garlinghouse tripping in just to say how positive he was. The same in recent posts on X, Brad Garlinghouse congratulated Donald Trump on his 2024 election victory and issued a public call for immediate changes in US cryptocurrency policy. So two things there that I think are really important to reference. Gary Gensler's days are pretty much numbered, and Brad Garlinghouse asking for immediate change, all of which while we wait for this filing that's not going to come until the 15th of January. It almost all lines up pretty straightforward as to understand that is simply not going to get done. Yes, there's probably a narrative from Brad to get this on quicker because he feels that that would be the absolute way forward, but this can only be a positive news story. And again, lots of people are excited. Now, it doesn't end there. If you needed a bit more in terms of a catalyst, what else we got going on? Well, it isn't a Gary Gensler chair. It is the ETF approval. Could Gary try and save his bacon by issuing an XRP ETF? Is that the way that he could stay in office? I personally don't think so, but lots of people think this may be a thing. The crypto world abuzz and anticipation following the unexpected turn of events in 24. A shift in leadership also brings policy changes. Among the myriad of digital assets, Ripple's XRP stands out as a potential beneficiary of these changes. The prospect of an exchange-traded fund gaining approval seems more plausible than ever. However, the new administration does have a different stance on crypto. So this could be another big deal. So think about this. 3 things. Gary Gensler gets fired. They don't file the appeal, therefore the $125 million never gets paid. And an XRP ETF, what do you think that's going to do to the price? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, right now, Bitcoin rallying just a little bit. XRP at 54 cents. I talked about this yesterday. This break above 54, this critical we hold it at this lower level. We want to see this now start to push up again to that 58 range, breaking above to 62. These are some of the key levels we're looking at right now on XRP. And what's really important is how it trended off that lower support and now starting to move to the upside. So I think there's a lot of positive coming. Expect a big rally on Bitcoin. I absolutely believe we're going to get a strong move on that. And the altcoin market, including XRP, is just around the corner. If Bitcoin can consolidate and hold around that 75, 75 and a half, we may even see 80,000 by the weekend. Well, get ready. XRP, in my view, is 60 cents pretty soon. And if we do get a removal of Gary Gensler or that SEC filing never comes in, I think we could see XRP breaking out hugely to the upside, maybe even retesting 75 to 80 cents. Could be pretty crazy. But let me know, as always, in the comments down below if you enjoy this type of content, you want to stay ahead of everybody else in this cryptocurrency market. You know what to do. Smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on. You're uploaded. No, you're not. You're notified when we upload all our latest content. Go live on the show every day except Saturdays and bring you the best cryptocurrency that you need. And if you're brand new, you found the great channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.